My name is Henrik Hörnschemeyer and I'm the responsible area sales manager for the underground mining and tunneling equipment operating in Europe, Africa, Australia and Asia. As an expert for customized underground mining equipment, it was almost 1.5 years ago we received a request from a giant mining company to come back to them with a specialized solution for solving the task of changing idlers at the conveyor belts. The major challenge the client had was to find a proper solution for improving the efficiency of changing the idlers at their conveyor belts. The Paus UNI 50 chassis offers a very compact machine ideal for this task. With a new idler handler superstructure, we fulfill the requirement of a compact machine with a high payload crane as well as a manipulator for grabbing the idlers. The crane offers in this particular case a payload of 8 tons with proper supports that you can use machine from both sides. The manipulator is designed for this particular task and can even work at very narrow space. It can grab idlers up to 40 kilograms. Once the idler is grabbed, the manipulator will place at a loading platform to the rear of the machine. Then the manipulator will grab a new idler and place it again at the conveyor belt. The platform itself is changeable and can be easily replaced at the workshop by changing from the old to the new idlers. Both the crane and the manipulator can be operated remotely, providing excellent visibility and a safe distance at the working area. As additional safety feature, the crane is equipped with a weighing unit showing maximum allowance by also indicating at a traffic light. By using this innovative machine was not yet available in the market, the process of changing the idlers can be now done in a more efficient way, and this will reduce the shutdown times of the mine.